Hello. Uh, okay. Hello. This is Debika Chatterjee, Zoology faculty, physicswallah vidhyapeeth. Okay. I'm going to share you some strategy which will be useful for your upcoming NEET preparation and for the droppers. Okay. So, tell you about the best strategy for NEET 2025 dropper. See, the first thing is that you have to be for dropper. The time period is less for you. So the main point is key for you. Time period is very less, limited time. Within that limited time, you have to prepare all four subjects: physics, chemistry, zoology, and botany, and that too in that I mean properly. That too in proper manner. So you have so in that point of view, definitely you don't need to waste your time. That's fine, but make a study plan. Probably you are. It is not mandatory that people are telling you that please wake early in the morning, then go to bed uh, at early as possible. It not same for always. Okay, some students find that ma'am, we are more active in night, rather I cannot wake up early in the morning. If we wake up early in the morning, that some headache or something very discomfort continuously coming in my body, so I'm not going to tell you that. So first you plan the best time for your study or comfortable time for your study. So that's very important. Comfortable time for study. Comfortable time, it may be during night or maybe early in the morning. So based on you. Comfortable time, it's absolutely up to you. Up to you. Whenever you are comfortable, because if you are comfortable, if you have comfortable time, that means you are giving your best at that time. Someone is forcing you to study early in the morning, so your body is not accustomed with early in the morning, so whatever you are studying, it will be a waste. So please be careful on that. Okay, next, do not sleep more than 7 hours. Do not sleep more than 7 hours. Okay. But this is the time where you have to leave all your luxurious habit, all your luxury and all. You have to be like something have to do in a meditation manner, or you have to like devotee kind of. Okay, so yeah, we know that 8 hours sleep is necessary for our body health, but the thing is that at this stage you won't get 8 hours of sleep, so you'll get maximum of 6 hours to 7 hours, but 6 hours will be the best. But thing, okay, I'm telling you, do not sleep more than 7 hours. 7 hours sleep is sufficient for your body. Okay, next is practice question as much as possible. Practice questions as much as possible. As much as possible. See, I have seen some of you continuously reading NCRT. They might have read the NCRT for 50 times, but the thing is that they are not practicing enough questions. So more you get into this practicing question, more you will get your confidence development, and in this way, even you'll you can do answers with very short time, so that will be beneficial for you. But while you are practicing questions, I am requesting all of you, do not continuously check the answer key. People do the mistake like एक बार questions देख लिया, after that immediately checking the answer key. No. First, suppose we are giving you 50 questions. Suppose in that practice sheet, PW, practice sheet or DPP, you have one, two, three, four, dot, dot, 50 questions. And you have your answer key as well. Okay. First, please you solve the 50 questions. Okay, before solving the question, 50 questions, like you just read a one time NCRT, you have listened the class one time, and you are going to solve the questions. Do not do that. Properly listen the class, make your proper notes, and then you read your NCRT. Then you'll start practice the questions. While you are practicing the question, do not look answer key. First, complete the questions from 1 to 50. Then you check your answer key. That would be best for you. If you continuously checking the answer key, would be under, it would be like below confidence level. So I'm not letting this happen. Okay. So this thing is very important. While practicing question, do not check the answer key continuously, vigorously. People, all of the students I've seen that while practicing question, continuously bar this answer key check देखते रहते हैं, ठीक है. Next is read NCRT, read NCRT as much as possible. Do not indulge into studying unnecessary books or topics. So basically, see, you have to read NCRT as much as possible. Okay. So while you are reading NCRT is sufficient because everything is given in your NCRT, and that we are teaching you in class, we are delivering lectures, and whatever it is there in the NCRT, in the class only we're trying to decode that NCRT. Our main work is to decode the NCRT. So we are doing the proper research, we are decoding the NCRT, and we are giving the ready-made to you. Okay. So be strict on the NCRT. So I've seen some students, those who are interested in learning things beyond NCRT, unnecessary topics. So see, your brain has a capacity. So do not feed your brain with unnecessary information, which is not at all useful for NEET, which is not at all important for NEET. Okay, someone is asking me about a weird question from a topic. Okay, I understand her curiosity about the topic and all, but the thing is that uh, he he or she that kept on asking me the continuous question. Okay, so in this way her brain is actually getting deviated from the NCRT. So while I'm asking a very simple question from NCRT, he's unable to answer this. But that should not be happen, right? Because in exam they won't ask you that unnecessary information. They would ask you the question based on your MCRT. Maybe it is twisted, but it is there in the NCRT. So please read the NCRT. Okay, so we are helping you to decode the NCRT, so that's very important, decoding the NCRT. Some lines is there in the NCRT which is a kind of very twisted line. So we are for there. Okay, we are there to help you to decode the NCRT. In this way, please you read the NCRT like as much as possible. There is no particular number I'm telling, only 10 times you read the NCRT. Okay. So more you read the NCRT, more you get your doubts. Ma'am, what is this line is saying? So that is one important strategy. Be strict to the NCRT. Then is, do not keep summary of NCRT. Summary of NCRT. Beta, zoologically it is very true. Why it is very true? Because I'm just giving you one simple example. That's for guanocytes. Guanocytes, all of you know that it is the collar cells of porifera. Okay, that is uh, collar cells of porifera, and you know the functions which is written in the NCRT text. But whether the cell is flagellated or ciliated, it is not mentioned in the NCRT text, but rather it is mentioned in the summary. Suppose if the question comes, qua- collared cells is flagellated, ciliated. So if you do not read the NCRT summary, you won't be able to answer the question. So I'm always focusing on this point. This is very important. Do not skip the summary. Lot of informations are hidden in the summary. So always always after reading the NCRT, after end of the full chapter, go to the summary, read the summary, not for one, for twice. Read the summary. Okay, do not skip the summary. Repeaters, मेन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट की रिपीटर्स बेटा तुम लोग थोड़ा पढ़ के आते हो. सो कॉन्सेप्ट probably you are you know the topics, you know the basic of it, but conceptually probably you are lagging behind it. So suppose you are struggling with physics. Suppose most of the students are struggling with physics. So physics, you give time to clear the backlogs. Suppose okay, I know you should give importance each one of the subject, each one of your four subjects equally, but you are struggling with physics, so it is your main priority to give time to physics, the daily physics. So next is priority basis studying. Priority based study plan. Study plan. That's what I wanted to say you. Priority based study plan. Upcoming holidays are there. Indulge yourself in those clearing those backlogs. Okay. So you have to balance. You know which subject you are struggling with. Maybe with physics, maybe with chemistry. Some of you are struggling with botany, some chapters. Okay. So priority best, because you are adult enough to know which subject can make you trouble. So that's what I'm telling. So priority based studying. Okay. Next is always be cleared on concepts. Yeah, yes, that zoology, botany, that entire biology is something like you can ratta maar lena and you can get your marks. Fine. But it is not always true. Be clear, be confident on your concepts. Even if you find that you are struggling with the concepts of this subject, also please be careful. Okay. So, and last but not the least, that is be consistent. Consistent. That's all for your strategies. Okay. Thank you.